Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to export your finished video in CapCut for PC, step by step. This guide is for beginners, so I will keep things simple and focus on the settings that matter most, so your final file looks and plays the way you want. First, watch your whole project one more time. Make sure your cuts, transitions, text, and audio are exactly how you want them. When you are happy with everything, look to the top right of the CapCut window and click the blue Export button. When the Export window opens, give your video a clear name in the text box, something you will recognize later, for example, Nature Documentary. Then click the folder icon next to Export to and choose where to save the file on your computer. Picking the right folder now makes the video easy to find later. Next, check the project settings. Start with resolution. Choose the resolution that matches your original footage, for example, 1080p if you shot in 1080p, or 4K if your clips are 4K. Exporting low-resolution footage as 4K will not improve quality that much, but will make the file much bigger. Look at the bitrate next. Bitrate controls quality and file size. For most beginners, the recommended setting is fine. If you want higher quality for platforms like YouTube, choose higher, but expect larger files. Advanced users can choose Customize to set an exact bitrate. Keep the codec set to H.264. This format is widely supported and works well for uploads and playback on most devices. For the file type, MP4 is the safest choice. Use Move only if a specific workflow or platform needs it. Set the frame rate to match your source clips, for example, 30 or 60 frames per second. Higher frame rates, like 60 FPS, make motion smoother, but exporting 30 FPS footage as 60 FPS will not add real smoothness and will increase the file size. Scroll to the bottom for extra options. If you want a separate audio file, check Export Audio. You can create a GIF version, but keep it short because GIFs become very large. If you plan to upload to TikTok, use Run Copyright Check to scan for protected sounds. If you used auto captions and need a subtitle file, check Export Subtitle to save a ISRT file for YouTube closed captions. When everything looks right, click the blue Export button in the window. CapCut will render your video and show a progress bar. Wait until it reaches 100%. Do not close CapCut while it is rendering, otherwise the export will fail. After export finishes, a confirmation window will appear. Click Open Folder to go straight to the location where your file was saved. Your video is now ready to share or upload. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what problem you want me to solve next. Take care and see you in the next video.